Hello there guys, wanna lock and hide the same chats on WhatsApp? Let me show you how you can easily do it, so follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now open WhatsApp on your device and now just find the chat that you wanna lock and hide. Now slide it to the left and select the gray More options right there. This will actually bring a pop-up menu. Select the lock chat option right there with the lock icon and now hit continue at the bottom. Now enter a passcode for WhatsApp to set it, so you will have to enter it to access the locked chats. I'll just go with 4 zeros. Now, as you can see, the locked chats will be located in the locked chats tab right below the search field. So to enter them, just click on them and enter the same passcode that you have set. So now to hide the locked chats, go to the settings right there at the top right and enable the hide locked chats feature. You'll be prompted to just do a secret code, so simply tap on the create secret code option and simply enter either a word, emoji, or any number. Again, for the sake of the tutorial, I'll just go with 4 ones. Now just click the next option at the top right, re-enter the secret code to confirm it, and that's pretty much it. You have hidden your WhatsApp chats and also locked them. So to access the locked and hidden chats on WhatsApp, just go to the search field at the top, simply tap on it, and now enter the secret code. This will automatically bring up the locked chats and automatically unlock them. So just simply click on this tab right there with the locked chats. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you know how it works. And thank you for watching, so subscribe for more tips.